guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title of this video is me achieving my take on achieving this passion twist hairstyle. This video was hectic to make, so yeah, everything that I use for this video will be in the description box down below, so be sure to click the description box down below so you can see all the products and everything that I used. The hair that I used was Freetress hair. I will leave that in the description box as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, that's it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment down below any other videos you guys may want to see, and I mean it. Please comment down below videos you guys may want to see. Comment down below, okay? Give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with your mama, your papa, your cousin, your auntie cousin, everybody, okay? Because this hairstyle took about I'll say 6 hours, but I made it short for you guys because I don't want this video to be long and boring, and it's really repetitive. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye. Alright you guys, so the first thing I made sure I do was to part my hair from ear to ear. That way I have two halves, and it's easier for me to do. This line I had to make it precise because I really wanted to work in sections, and the other lines, well, the back of my hair, I never really cared how it looked, how neat it looks, because it's gonna end up looking full because of the chunky twist I'm gonna do. So just keep in mind that the back of your hair don't need to be perfect. Well, I don't need it to be perfect. So since you guys wanted to see how I struggled and parted my hair, this is how I started. Alright, so right now I'm kind of just sectioning off the front part of my hair, and then I'm going to moisturize my hair all over throughout the back section. Everything that I use will be in the description box down below. So I'm just going to moisturize the back and then detangle it so I can start parting my hair. Alright you guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is section my hair with my finger first. That way I kind of have, like, you know, a line so I could use kind of. So I section my hair off, and then you're gonna need a mirror to look at the back of your hair. So what I'm gonna do is take my rat tail comb and kind of trace that line just to make it straight a little bit. And yeah, that's basically how I can explain it. You guys can definitely see, and I'm going to be checking behind my head just to make sure that the line is kind of where I want it to be. So after that, I'm just going to take some edge control, and then I'm going to make sure that line is like a little bit precise, just a little bit. You don't need it to be too perfect. Well, I didn't need it to be too perfect because obviously I can't see behind my head, and it's not gonna be as perfect as I want it to be. So yeah. Alright you guys, so now as you can see, I'm splitting the back of the section, and then I'm going to end up using my fingers because the twists are already going to be chunky, so I don't see the reason why I should make every square precise if I can't even see the back of my head. So I'm just going to put some edge control on the braid or on the section to tame it down a little bit, and then put the rubber band in, and then just repeat the same process again for each row. Alright you guys, so now I am going to moisturize the front part of my hair. Also make sure the ends of your hair are always moisturized because it's the driest and oldest part of your hair, and this is a protected style, so you want your ends to be moisturized. So now I'm going to take my rat tail comb and split that in the middle, and then I'm going to take some edge control and make this part more precise because this is the focus part of this hairstyle. Alright you guys, so I'm going to just work on one section first and then move to the other section. I'm going to now detangle my hair with the white tooth comb, and then make sure every part is precise, because like I said before, this is the focus part of this hairstyle, so you're going to want it to look very, very neat and put together. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to split each section and then take some edge control to tame the hair and make sure everything looks kind of perfect. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going to show you how I do the twist. So this is how the hair comes, and all you have to do is kind of rub your hand through the braid and try to split it. The messier it looks, the more chunky your twist is gonna get. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, I'm trying to make 2 short ends and 2 long ends. The purpose of that is to make each strand start full and end full. You don't want it to start full and then end skinny. So yeah, I'm also going to moisturize the hair and put some edge control, and I'm going to moisturize my hair and put some edge control on my real natural hair so that it can tame it. And then I'm gonna start with the crocheting part. Alright, you guys, so what you're gonna want to do is put the needle through your hair and then put the hair through the needle and close the lash and pass it through your hair. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You guys can see. Only thing that you need to make sure of is make sure every single strand is going to go inside of the hook, because if you leave one strand out, it's gonna be hectic for you to pull the whole hair out. So yeah, as you guys can see, I'm struggling a little bit. So after that, all you have to do is make sure you have one long and one short side on either side, and then put my hair into 2 and start twisting. Basically, just make sure you twist in the right direction. If one direction doesn't work, you can definitely untwist it and retwist it again. As you guys can see, I am going to be measuring each twist as I go along, just to make sure each of the twists are uniformed and measured correctly, so that you can know where to put your rubber band and where you can cut your rubber band as well. So I'm pretty done with this hairstyle. All you have to do is make sure you put in the hair into the crochet needle properly and that you twist out properly, basically. So now that I'm finished, I'm now going to cut. You really want to cut right below the elastic. Just make sure you don't have too much hair you left out or too much hair you cut off. So basically that's how it's supposed to look. To top it all off, I'm going to use my Argan Oil hair mousse just for more of a neat look, and then I'm going to add the olive oil spray for some shine for this hairstyle, just to, you know, make it look really pretty. And then I'm going to wrap my hair, and then that will be the end of this hairstyle. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like and comment down below any more hairstyles you guys may want to do. Bye guys.